Title 3. Things. Every accounting job in UAE requires Odoo edition. If you want to work as an accountant in the UAE, one skill that is becoming very important is Odoo. Let me tell you 3 things companies expect when hiring an accountant who works on Odoo. First, you must know daily accounting tasks in Odoo. This includes creating invoices, recording expenses, posting journal entries, and doing bank reconciliation. These are basic tasks that most companies handle every day. Second, you need to understand VAT handling in Odoo. Companies expect accountants to prepare VAT reports, check tax entries, and make sure transactions are recorded correctly according to UAE VAT rules. Third, you should know how to generate reports in Odoo. Employers often ask for profit and loss reports, balance sheets, and receivable or payable aging reports. Being able to extract and explain these reports is very important. If you want to get an accounting job in the UAE today, learning Odoo practical work can give you a strong advantage, especially in small and medium-sized companies.